Are you looking for a carpet cleaner? In this video, I will show you the 5 best carpet cleaners based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. Get your carpets clean with the Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet. This carpet cleaner out-cleans the leading rental machine and is half the weight, giving you the convenience to clean your carpets whenever you want. Now you can truly own your clean, without the hassle of renting a machine from the store. This lightweight carpet cleaner was designed with a low-profile foot to fit under and around furniture. New Max Clean Mode and dual dirt lifter power brushes combine with heatwave technology to remove dirt and stains from your carpet, giving you a professional-grade clean. The 4th product on the list is the Hoover Smartwash Automatic. The Hoover Smartwash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Wash carpet by simply pushing forward to clean and pulling back to dry. No multiple buttons. No solution measuring. No hassle. Just seriously simple and seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with FlexForce power brushes. Plus, Auto Mix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning, while Auto Dry powerfully extracts water with heat force for an even faster drying time. The 3rd product on the list is the Bissell Big Green Machine Professional. The Bissell Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine Professional Grade Carpet Cleaner achieves a whole new level of cleaning with its powerful motors and extra large brush roll to pull out deep down dirt. It's made of super durable, high-quality materials for sturdy, anti-tip design, and features robust workmanship from top to bottom. The Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine out-cleans the leading rental carpet cleaner. The 2nd product on the list is the Bissell Crosswave Cleaner. Get your hard floors cleaner than you could have ever imagined. The Bissell Crosswave is a revolutionary, all-in-one, multi-surface floor cleaner that vacuums and washes floors at the same time. The Crosswave is safe for tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, area rugs, and more. 2-tank technology keeps the cleaning solution separate from the dirty water to ensure a fresh mix of formula and water is always being used to clean your floors. The 1st product on the list is the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Indoor pets, big and small, can make a big mess. Whether a dog, cat, puppy, kitten, hedgehog, bunny, or hamster, keep the Pet Portable Spot Cleaner handy for an immediate fix for life's accidents. The Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a powerful clean for not only pet messes, but everyday accidents. With twice the suction power compared to leading spot cleaning machines, Rug Doctor's Pet PSC eliminates embedded dirt, tough stains, and odors from pets and kids alike. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.